Decor Designs, where we turn your vision of a beautiful home into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. An outdoor kitchen with a seating area is much more than just a grill placed on a deck. It is a fully functional extension of your home's interior living space. Think of it as a dedicated al fresco room that combines high-end cooking appliances, like built-in grills, pizza ovens, and refrigerators, with a thoughtfully designed social hub. The seating element can range from casual bar stools at a kitchen island to a cozy lounge set around a fireplace or a formal dining table. Essentially, it is a hybrid space where the culinary arts meet relaxation, designed to bring the comfort and utility of your indoor kitchen and dining room into the fresh air. The benefits of installing an outdoor kitchen with a seating area are truly transformative for any homeowner. First and foremost, it significantly increases the living square footage of your property without the need for a costly traditional home addition. It is also the ultimate tool for entertaining. By having a seating area directly adjacent to where you cook, the chef is no longer isolated from the party, allowing for a seamless social flow. Furthermore, cooking outdoors keeps heat and lingering food odors out of your house during the hot summer months, potentially lowering your cooling costs. Beyond the lifestyle perks, a well-designed outdoor kitchen is a high-value investment that can substantially increase your home's resale value and curb appeal, making it a win-win for both your current enjoyment and your future equity. To make your outdoor kitchen and seating area look truly professional and inviting, you must focus on the balance between durability and aesthetics. Start by choosing a cohesive color palette that complements your home's exterior. Earthy tones like slate, sand, and charcoal often work best to blend with the natural environment. Incorporate varied textures by mixing materials, such as a smooth quartz countertop paired with a rugged stone veneer base. Lighting plays a massive role in the wow factor. Use a combination of task lighting over the grill, warm LED strips under the counter overhangs, and elegant pendant lights or string lights over the seating area to create a soft ambient glow after sunset. Don't forget the soft decor. Use weather-resistant outdoor rugs to define the seating zone and add high-quality outdoor pillows and throws in accent colors to make the space feel as cozy as your living room. Choosing the right items is crucial for a space that is both functional and stylish. Start with the anchors. A high-quality stainless steel built-in grill and a weatherproof refrigerator are non-negotiables for a true kitchen experience. For the seating area, consider an island with a waterfall countertop edge to provide a sleek, modern look while doubling as a breakfast bar. A fire feature such as a built-in gas fire pit or a stone fireplace is one of the best items to include as it provides warmth and a natural focal point that extends the usability of the space into the cooler months. Additionally, overhead protection like a pergola, gazebo, or a sleek cantilever umbrella ensures that your seating area remains comfortable regardless of the sun or light rain. Finally, don't overlook a dedicated outdoor sound system and a weatherproof TV to turn your outdoor kitchen into the ultimate sports and movie night destination. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, hear the compilation of the top 10 best outdoor kitchen with seating area ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the modern stone island and bar. This design features a stunning L-shaped kitchen with a stacked stone base and integrated warm LED under-cabinet lighting. The elevated bar counter with sleek wicker stools allows guests to chat with the cook, while a cozy sunken lounge area in the background creates a multi-layered entertainment zone perfect for evening gatherings. 2. The lush garden culinary retreat. This idea focuses on bringing the green in by surrounding a simple modern white kitchen setup with lush, multi-level garden beds and accent lighting. The seating features a stylish L-shaped sectional sofa on a flagstone patio, creating a tranquil environment where you can enjoy a meal while completely immersed in nature. 3. The sophisticated wood-paneled pavilion. A masterful use of wood on both the ceiling and the back wall gives this kitchen a warm, mid-century modern feel. Copper pendant lights hang over a wooden bar, while a professional-grade pizza oven sits in the corner, making this the perfect inspiration for those who want a high-end indoor-outdoor restaurant vibe. For the coastal white breeze kitchen, perfect for seaside or bright locations, this design uses crisp white cabinetry and a white pavilion structure to reflect the sun. The light blue-green bar stools provide a pop of color that mirrors the ocean, while the open-air layout and glass railings ensure that the sea breeze and views are never obstructed. 5. The ultimate sports and hearth hub. This design is a dream for sports fans, featuring a massive stone fireplace with a large weatherproof TV mounted right above the hearth. The kitchen runs along the side with a granite countertop and stone veneer, ensuring you can flip burgers without ever missing a single play of the big game. 6. The minimalist marble waterfall. For the lover of modern luxury, this idea showcases a massive marble effect island with a waterfall edge that acts as the centerpiece. The clean white flooring and dark wood ceiling contrast beautifully, while the overhead TV and expansive counter space make it feel like a five-star hotel lounge. 7. The enclosed screened-in oasis. This idea is perfect for those in buggy or rainy climates, using a large screened-in structure to provide 360-degree views of the yard while staying protected. A long, rustic wooden dining table serves as the heart of the space, lit by industrial-style Edison bulb pendants for a trendy farmhouse chic look. 8. The Mediterranean stone grotto. This design utilizes heavy stone walls and dark wood ceiling beams to create an old-world, rustic atmosphere. The kitchen is tucked into a sheltered alcove, featuring a professional vent hood and mirrors that reflect the surrounding garden, making the space feel twice as large and incredibly grand. 9. The urban rooftop or patio grill. A great example of maximizing a smaller footprint. This design uses built-in wooden benches and a stone retaining wall to create a compact but highly functional kitchen. The use of a bright red Camadou-style grill adds a fun splash of color and a professional smoking option for the serious backyard chef. 10. The pergola-covered farmhouse kitchen. This classic look uses a dark wood pergola to provide dappled shade over a white brick kitchen base. The heavy wooden trestle table and matching benches provide plenty of seating for family-style meals, while the integrated wood-burning fireplace and white chimney ensure the patio stays warm and cozy. Building an outdoor kitchen with a seating area is about more than just adding value to your home. It's about changing the way you live and connect with your loved ones. By taking the time to plan your layout, choosing durable yet beautiful materials, and focusing on the comfort of your guests, you can create a sanctuary that serves as the backdrop for years of memories. Whether you prefer a sleek modern island or a rustic stone hearth, the key is to make the space a true reflection of your personal style. If you enjoyed these outdoor living inspirations, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for more weekly home improvement and styling tips. We want to hear from you. Which of the top 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below and tell us what your dream outdoor kitchen feature would be. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.